In this video, I will discuss how you can find value of cos 36 degree. So let us say alpha equals to 18 degree. This means 5 alpha is equals to 5 times 18 degree, that is 90 degree. So now I have 5 alpha equals to 90 degree. And 5 alpha can also be written as 2 alpha plus 3 alpha, which is equals to 90 degree. I can take 3 alpha to the right hand side, then I will have 2 alpha is equals to 90 minus 3 alpha. In the next step, I can take sine of both sides. This side will become sine 2 alpha and this side will be sine 90 minus 3 alpha. And you may remember a formula, that is sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. So if I use that trigonometric identity, I will have this side sine 2 alpha, but this side I will have cos 3 alpha. That is sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Now I am going to use another trigonometric identities. Sine 2 alpha is basically equals to 2 sine alpha into cos alpha. And cos 3 alpha is equals to 4 cos q alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So these two identities you need to remember to solve this problem. Now I can take this to the left hand side and cos alpha is here, cos alpha is here, cos alpha is here. So I can take cos alpha common. So what I will have? Here I will have 2 sin alpha, so this is 2 sin alpha. And here I will have 4 cos square alpha, but you are taking this side, so this will become minus 4 cos square alpha. And this is, here I will have 3 left, minus 3 left, but if you are taking this side, so this will become plus 3. So now product of this times this is equals to 0. So there are two situations. Either this is 0 or this is 0. So if cos alpha is 0, which is not possible because alpha is what? 18 degree. Cos 90 is 0 or multiple of 90 is 0. Basically odd multiple of 90 is 0. But cos 18 can never be 0. So cos 18 is not 0. This means cos alpha is not 0 in this case. So this solution is not accepted. Or I can have this part equals to 0. That is 2 sin alpha minus 4 cos square alpha plus 3 equals to 0. But now here you can see one is sin alpha, another is cos alpha, basically cos square alpha. So what I will do is I will convert this cos square alpha into sin square alpha. And you remember the identity, cos square alpha is equals to 1 minus sin square alpha. And other are as it is. So this I have 2 sin alpha minus 4 times 1 sin square alpha plus 3 equals to 0. Now let us rearrange the terms. So this is minus and this is minus, so minus minus will become plus, and this is 4 sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha, and this is minus 4 and plus 3, so this will be minus 1, this is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in sin alpha, and you may remember how to solve quadratic equation, how to find roots of quadratic equation. For example, if you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, its roots or the value of x is given as minus b plus minus a square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us use this rule. In this case, x in place of x I have sin square alpha, or in place of x square I have sin square alpha. So this means x is equals to sin alpha. So now I can find the value of sin alpha. In this case, a is equals to 4, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 1. So minus b, that is minus 2, plus minus a square root b square is 2 square, that is 4, minus 4 times a is 4, that is 16, minus 1, that is c, that is minus 16 and minus 1, so this term will be plus 16, divided by 2 times a is 4, so 2 times 4, that is 8. So this is minus 2 plus minus, and 16 plus 2, 16 plus 4 is just 20. So this is a square root 20. So if you cancel 2, so in the denominator we will have 4, and this is minus 1, and if you take 2 outside, then inside this root you will have 4. So there are two solutions. One is this one, minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. But this is a negative quantity. In first quadrant, that is 18-degree quadrant, sine alpha or sine 18 degree cannot be negative. So this root is not accepted. So other root, this is positive because root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So this is a positive quantity. So this root is accepted. So sine 18 degree is equals to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. But we have to find value of cos 36 degree. So we need to relate some identity with cos 36 degree and sine 18 degree. So cos of 2 alpha, basically 2 alpha is 36 degree, alpha is 18 degree, so 2 alpha is 36 degree. So cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So this is a trigonometric identity. So this means 1 minus 2 sine square alpha, and sine alpha in this case is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So this is root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 whole square. Now I can simplify this. So this is minus 1 and this is 16, 4 square is 16, and 2 if you divide by 2, so this will be 8, and this is nothing but a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So if I expand this, a square is 5, b square is 1 minus 2 times root 5 divided by 8. So this is 1 minus, and 5 plus 1 is 6, and this is 2 root 5, so I can cancel 2. So if I divide 6 by 2, so this will be 3, and this will be, if I divide by 2, this will be root 5, and 4 here I will have, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now if I take 4 LCM, so this is 4 minus 3, and this is plus root 5, so 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 plus root 5 by 4. So this is the value of cos 36 degree, which is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So I hope you enjoyed this problem. And if you like my videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.